Hi, today's lesson is all about creating a blues groove from scratch. It's for absolute beginners. I'm not going to use a tab, not going to use any theory. I'm just going to show you how to do it, and it's not very hard. I'm tuned to G open, G, D, G. This is a resonator cigar box guitar, you might call it. This is a tin top. It gives it a kind of dobro sort of sound, which I kind of think is neat, and I have it set up so that if I touch the top, it's pretty live. So if you hear any clacking or anything like that, it's supposed to be there. Don't worry about it. So back to the blues groove. We're going to start off with the G and the D strings, and we're just going to pluck them together. You can use a pick if you want. I'm using my fingers. I suggest fingers is pretty good for a beginner because you got control over the strings. And we're just going to do this. Now you may notice right away that my rhythm isn't straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't sound very cool. So what I'm doing is I'm going 1 and 2 and 3. So I'm swinging, which is why it's called swing time, the and to the next beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. That's called a shuffle. Oh, a couple other suggestions. You may want to start off doing this acoustically. And if you are plugged into an amp, you may want to turn the tone down a bit and keep it on clean. I'm on super clean. So you have total control over the sound coming out of your instruments. Because these instruments can be really, really live. You can do all sorts of crazy things on them, which is wonderful, but we don't want that today. So we're back to the basic rhythm. So we'll call that part 1. When you're real comfortable with that, you're going to add the 2nd fret on the middle string. And I'm going to use a slide for all the fretless players. If your action's low enough, you can press it down. That works too. But I'll use a slide. And you can see my fingers are behind the slide there because I'm using it on my little finger. And you can use it on any finger that you want, but I'm using it on my little finger, so I've got my fingers behind, muting the string, so there's no extra sound. There we go. That's about the most basic groove you're going to get. So we're going to bring it up another level. We're going to add the 3rd fret. We're going to go open, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. And that's all there is to it. That's a very good common blues groove that you can solo over to your heart's content if you want to record it on your phone or on anything else and just jam with yourself. So now that we've got this fairly good, I'm going to add in a couple extra notes just to show you how you can do that. And what I'm adding in is 3 and 4. So go real slow. Like that. And these work at any tempo. You don't have to do them quick at all. I probably did them a little too quick for a beginner. I apologize for that. But they work. Actually, that's very much like a Zeppelin thing I did a while back. I'm just adding 5 and 5 and 3 and 3 there. Yeah, it makes it sound a little Led Zeppelin-ish, and No problem if you want to just stick with the... So that's how you create a very, very basic blues groove right from scratch. I hope you find that helpful. Have a great day. Bye.